In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a video in Google Slides. This is a handy skill to have whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any personal project. Adding a video can make your presentation more engaging and informative. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to slides.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email and password and hit enter. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. This is where all the magic begins. To start working on your presentation, you're going to create a new blank presentation. You can do this by clicking on the blank option, which you'll find in the top left corner. Once your new presentation is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're not already acquainted. You have a selection of themes on your right, the slide view in the center, and a toolbar with various customization options at the top. Once you're ready, let's move on to inserting that video. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. You'll see an option labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Look for the video option. This will be the gateway to adding a dynamic video element to your presentation. Once you click on video, a new window will pop up with three different tabs at the top: YouTube, URL, and Google Drive. If you have a specific YouTube video in mind, you can search for it directly here. Type the name of the video in the search bar, press enter, and browse through the results. Once you find your desired video, simply select it and click on Insert at the bottom right corner. If you have a video hosted elsewhere, like your own website or another online source, you'll want to use the URL tab, copy the video link from your source and paste it into the designated space, then click Select to add it to your slide. Lastly, if the video you wish to insert is saved on your Google Drive, click on the Google Drive tab. This tab will display all video files available in your drive. Navigate through your files, select the video you want, and finally click on Select. After you've inserted your video into the slide, you can resize and position it by clicking and dragging from the corners. Feel free to place it wherever you feel it fits best within your presentation layout. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enrich your presentations with video content.